First and foremost, I congratulate the government for presenting the highest ever total expenditure estimated in the state history of 32,023 crores. This reflects the government's trajectory and commitment to achieving a $10 billion economy and charts a bold path towards Vision 2032. Honorable Chairman, East Jaintia Hills thrives on its mineral wealth, and this budget advances scientific mining responsibly. We must include coal in the District Mineral Foundation to channel royalties into local development, aligning with PMKK-KY guidelines. As mentioned in the budget speech by Honorable Chief Minister, I express profound gratitude for the 3 recent licenses approved, particularly for the one in Sarankham Mendehiti village and in Lumyaki Wak Sarang village, East Jaintia Hills, marking a milestone after years of effort in legalizing mining. Yet, to empower small tribal owners, affirmed by the Supreme Court 3rd July 2019 judgment on land and mineral rights under 6 Scheduled Customs, we urge speeding up form processing for scientific mining, where 20 or more other forms have been submitted and are at various stages of approval. Mr. Chairman, I would like to urge the state government to take up with the center to reduce the minimum area for scientific mining for the current 100 hectares threshold to 10 hectares onward. This will benefit small-scale traditional miners in East Jaintia Hills and other districts. I would also like to request the government to include our miners as direct beneficiaries under MGNREGA for off-season employment in eco-restoration and agri-transition and bolstering the Meghalaya Environment Protection and Restoration Fund with polluters pay principle for afforestation and water recharge. Agriculture is a lifeline for East Jaintia Hills farmer. The state budget allocation of 664 crores for the agricultural sector aims to drive high-value horticulture, strawberry expansion, and irrigation and mechanization, which is key to doubling rural incomes. East Jaintia Hills district, which is rich in areca nut, betel leaf, ginger, and turmeric, will see prime hub for values addition under Mission 10. Animal husbandry under veterinary sector, 247 crores, and fisheries, 130 crores, will empower self-help group in Kliriat and Lumshnong and Saipung blocks, creating jobs much like prior community grants up to 25 lakh. Tourism, art and culture sectors get a 57% jump to 375 crores, positioning East Jaintia Hills pristine landscape from Narpu Wildlife Sanctuary to hidden waterfall as world-class destination and enriching various artisans and culture of the region. Rupees 70 crores has been allocated for the creation and upgradation of 1,000 homestay via the Chief Minister's Meghalaya Homestay Mission. This will greatly benefit the existing owners and also generate new homestays to house the growing demand for tourism. The 1,000-day anti-malnutrition mission targets various communities for decreasing severe and moderate malnourished children across the state, and particularly those children within my constituency. This will ensure that the children receive adequate nourishment required for development. This budget builds on Mission 10, leveraging tourism, hospitality in East Jandi Hills, green incentives, and rural roads to create opportunities.